Look out, look out.
Look out, look out. Today, y'all, we going to Papado. You know what I'm saying? We got the LSA Mustang sitting over there. Finna let grandma drive it, you know what I'm saying? Real street car, man. About to let my grandma drive. Do you hear me? Y'all check it out. Oh, she got her jacket on. Tell me you my grandma. Okay. There you go, grandma.
Thank you.
I don't know. I forgot. You gotta adjust the seat.
Your leg's not this short.
Yeah.
Oh, I do it, okay.
You got it. What you got? Okay.
Woo!
pretty good. It's staying on tempo. All the gauges still reading good. Oh yeah, I need to hook that gas gauge back up. Yeah, I ain't got no gas, Grandma.
I'm getting out of here.
She said, I'm gonna get out and walk in. Yeah, my next car gonna have to have power steering.
I'm out some buses when I finish with this shit here. Which way you want to go?
To the right.
Yeah, motherfucker in the world want to turn when I want to turn. Look at this shit up here, red light. Check see if I left my phone on that table.
You ain't leave that phone on that table, girl.
I
What?
know I did. I'm just playing.
Oh.
If I did, break back in that motherfucker, make us close.
Oh, man. Alright. Safety. Got your safety going on.
There you are. I'll be able to sit and mess me up.
Races this year. I'm trying to get it ready. Right now it ain't even tuned yet. I'm just letting you drive it right now with it untuned, Grandma.
Let's get ready, get ready to tune up.
Yeah.
Watch it. Let's tune.
She said it's tuned. You feel something, Grandma?
Yeah, it feels something. My foot in his head.
It ain't tuned. It's supposed to get a lot more improvement, Grandma.
You don't need nothing else.
Yeah, they talking about they got a lot more horsepower than what you feel.
Yeah, they want to keep making money.
Yeah, I think that's what it is too. Yeah,
That's that sucker.
There's been a lot of traffic out here lately. Yeah, you get up there, you up there with the track. He said,
it gotta be.
It ain't ready.
Hit it in a minute.
Yeah.
All these assholes doing.
Everybody must be just getting off work.
Some of them haven't been to work.
Some of them haven't been to work.
Out here dealing.
tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.